Tomorrow will be better. A dry cleaning sponge has a volume of 120 cm cube. When soaked in water, its volume increases by 15%. By 15%. Find its volume when soaked. Follow me, dear friends. Solution. These are word problems. They are meant to be read in between the lines because every statement carries a vital information. Now, we are clearly told that when it gets soaked, the volume increases. So the volume of the sponge when it is wet, let's call it V wet, should be equal to the volume when it is dry plus a certain increase. Now the question gives us the percentage increase and not the increase in the volume itself. So times the percentage increase. Okay, I repeat, the volume of the wet or the soaked sponge will be equal to the volume of the dry sponge plus. Why plus? Because it's been clearly said that when it is soaked, the volume increases. So plus the percentage increase. So the challenge is to find this percentage increase because we cannot add a percentage to a volume. We cannot say 120 cm cube plus 15%. Had it been an increase in volume, maybe 15 cm cube, we could add them. So let's find this percentage increase. So we will say, but percentage increase will be equal to, now let's, like I always say, let's write down what we are reading. 15% of the total or of the dry volume. If you do this well, this should give us 18 cm cube. Now we have the increase in volume, no more the percentage increase. Now we will add this increase in volume to the dry volume to obtain the wet volume. Therefore, the wet volume VW will be equal to the dry volume 120 plus the increase in volume when it is soaked, no more the percentage increase. So plus 18, and if you do it well, we should have 138 cm cube. Tomorrow will be better.